Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sync your group files in OneDrive to Teams. If you haven't already done so, or if it's not present, please install OneDrive, the OneDrive application on your machine, and then log into it with your WSU account. Once you've done that, you will have a small blue icon down here that looks like a cloud. Right-click on that and go to Settings. Then select the Settings tab, and what we care about is this bottom section that says Files on Demand. We want to make sure that checkbox is checked so that the sync process does not actually download files, it only downloads a directory. The advantage to that is that it doesn't take up nearly as much space on your machine, and it will only download files when you actually go to access them. So the first time you access the file, it might be just a little bit slower while it downloads the file, and then it will keep it on your machine forever as long as you are regularly accessing that file. If you go 30 days without accessing the file, then it will delete it off your machine, but the sync will still have the most recent copy in the cloud, and it will be in the directory for you to be able to see it anytime that you need to access it and use that file. All right, once you've got that checkbox checked in OneDrive, open up Teams, and on the left-hand side, select the little Teams icon. That will list all the teams that you are in. Select the team that you want to sync files with, and then up at the top, select Files, and then in the sub-menu, click on Sync. Now I get an error message that says I am already syncing files because I'm already syncing files. You should see one or two more clicks to begin syncing, and it will sync up your directory, and this may take some time. So I would recommend doing it in the evening as you leave for the day, or possibly over the weekend, and then come back and check it out. All right, if you have any questions, you know how to reach me and Matthew. Thanks.